Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show you how you can get a blank name in TikTok. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write comments at the end of this video. So let's say if in the TikTok app you would like to remove your name that you currently have and leave that line blank, make a blank name, it's easy to do. To do this, go to any selection that you like, type in a blank name and go. And the next thing you need to do is go to the very first link, the very first site. Then you'll see a sign like this, click on it and hold it down until you see the copy section. Click copy. And now you can go to TikTok. Here you will need to go to your profile. After that, click change profile. Next, select your name. And now you will need to delete your name. Next, you press and hold. And select paste. And as you can see, that's how you inserted the blank name. And then in order to save your changes, you just click save. And you'll have this blank field. So that's a very simple way, friends. You can make yourself a blank name in the TikTok app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.